Hello, my name is Ado Horninger from Rami Yokota. Rami Yokota has been importing pneumatic tools for more than 50 years. And right now I have our own Red Rooster screwdriver program in front of me. I'm going to show you how to set it. The Red Rooster screwdriver program consists of 39 types. These include various speeds, straight, angle, and pistol models. This is the pistol model, and I'll show you how to set it. First, ensure the compressed air supply is disconnected. Next, pull the protective cover forwards so that the opening of the setting mechanism becomes visible. Now, turn the setting mechanism until you see the hole for the adjustment key. This is to increase or decrease the torque. As you can see, there is a plus and a minus on it. Once it's set as you think it should be, replace the protective cover. Insert the bit. First, connect the compressed air hose, and next, make the joint. It is a shut-off screwdriver, and you'll hear it shut off. Here too, check the torque with a torque wrench. If it's too low, increase it, and if it's too high, decrease it. That's all.